Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily make your iPhone talk when you connect the charger to it. Friends, please do not forget to put likes and also be sure to write your comments after watching this video and subscribe to our channel. So, friends, let's get started. And first, you will need to find an application on your iPhone called Shortcuts. Open it up. And then down in the middle at the bottom, select the option called Automation. Then on the top right, click on the plus sign. And in the search box, enter the word charging. After that, click on it and make sure you have the plug-in option selected. Now select the option immediately and click Next. Now in the search box, you will have to write Voice over Text. Next, click on this option. And now you will need to click on the word text and enter the text that you would like to hear when you connect the chargers to your iPhone. Now at the top, click Ready. After this automation, every time you plug in your iPhone charger, listen carefully because your iPhone will tell you to start doing it. This is the method, friends. You can easily make your iPhone speak when you connect the charger. I really hope, friends, that you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments, friends, and put your likes. Take care.